Did you know that the incredible okra is nature's diabetes fighter? Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a green vegetable with a distinct texture and shape. But it's not just a tasty addition to your meals, it also packs a powerful punch when it comes to managing diabetes. Okra is rich in dietary fiber and has a low glycemic index, which means it helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. The fiber in okra slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, keeping your blood sugar stable. Additionally, okra contains compounds that stimulate insulin production, making it a natural choice for those with diabetes. So how can you incorporate the incredible okra into your diet? You can steam, sauté, or even pickle it. Try adding okra to your stir-fries, soups, or stews for a nutritious boost. It's also a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like potassium and calcium. The incredible okra is not just a diabetes fighter, it's a versatile, tasty, and healthy vegetable that you should definitely consider adding to your diet. So why not give it a try? Thanks for watching this video about the incredible okra, nature's diabetes fighter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Unlocking the nutritional powerhouse, okra. Every kitchen needs a superfood. Meet okra, your new health companion with a myriad of benefits just waiting to be discovered. High in fiber, low in calories, okra is the perfect partner for your weight loss journey. Its high fiber content keeps you full longer, helping to curb unhealthy snacking habits. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, this humble vegetable is a fantastic immune system booster. It's like an invisible shield, protecting your health throughout the seasons. Struggling with blood sugar levels, okra contains substances that help regulate glucose metabolism, making it a friendly option for diabetics. Bid adieu to digestive troubles. Okra's high fiber content aids digestion and ensures a smooth functioning of your gut. Say hello to happy, healthy digestion. Incorporating okra into your diet is as easy as it is beneficial. Whether stir-fried, pickled, or tossed in a salad, enjoy the health wonders of this underrated vegetable today.